Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So today we are going to look at this folding knife that I have in front of me. The brand name is Solognac and it's sold by Decathlon. The model number is Axis 75 and it's a pretty rugged knife even though it's just an entry-level knife. The blade, as you can see here, is 7.5 centimeters and is stainless steel. Also you can see the rating over here, which is 5CR15, which means it has a high level of chromium in it so that it is rust proof and will keep the sharpness for longer. The grip, as you can see here, is textured. It's made of kind of a hard plastic, and also the grip is ergonomic. It's compact and you can carry it daily with you, but I don't recommend carrying it to any kind of like places where it's not allowed, like offices, malls and airports especially. So I think this is a good thing when you are traveling, when you are trekking or hiking. So basically the features are like any other folding knife that you might have seen. Like, let me start with the opening. To open it, it doesn't easily open with one thumb. As you can see, it doesn't open easily, even though they have given this kind of a protruding thing over here. So you need to use two hands. That's how it opens. And you can see that this is the locking mechanism here. So as it goes into its position, this comes and locks the blade over here. When you want to close it, you cannot accidentally close this. It will not close. You'll need to move this out of place and then close it. So even while closing, you need two hands. While opening, you need two hands. So this I have been using for almost a year now, and it's pretty easy to use, safe and comfortable to carry and hold. And this comes with a clip over here. As you can see, it comes with a clip so that you can put it on your belt or on your bag if you have those tactical bags. Also you can see that these come with star screws, so you can't easily open it. You'll need a six-sided star screw. These are all one size, and these three are one size, and this is a slightly bigger screw. So you won't need to open this unless you need to change the blade or something. And as you can see here, this side is textured. In the middle there's a metal piece which is copper in color, and on the other side it's again a metal piece which is holding the whole knife together. So I think this is the ideal knife for people who are getting into trekking and hiking, because you can use this to cut rope, and even use it for kindling, or I think it's called like when you're starting a fire you have kindling, right? So you can use it to create kindling, and then with a spark you can light the fire. So this is a very useful thing, and the price is only 700 rupees. So this is what I purchased a year back. I will probably upgrade to something else soon. Also, I wanted to show this sheath to keep the knife. This is separate, it doesn't come with the knife, and the knife fits perfectly into this. I think it is made for this knife and all the knives in this series. I think Axis 85, 95. I think there are a few more knives which are slightly longer. So it'll come till here, and slightly with different grips, different colors. I think there's one with orange. So this is what I bought along with this. Even though this has a clip, the sheath has a kind of a buckle over here which you can put through your belt and buckle it in, and then you can keep your knife this way, not like that, this way. And when you need to open the knife, you can open it this way and access it like this. But I don't recommend this for self-defense, because it doesn't open like other jackknives. It doesn't open automatically. You will have to open it with two hands. You can't even quickly do it with one hand. so that doesn't work out quite well. And yeah, the price, as I told you, this is 700 rupees and this is 500 rupees, or 699 and 499 to be precise. So if you want to get into knives, I think this is a very good option, because it comes with a good blade. It's 7.5 centimeters, it's compact to carry, and also it's a good tool to have in your toolkit. So I'll give you the links, the Decathlon online purchasing links, on the description below. Please go ahead and buy it from there, even though this is not sponsored, or it's not an affiliate link, but you can go ahead and buy it from there. And please let me know if you have any questions or doubts about this. I will be happy to answer them. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.